Stop guessing your entries. Stop getting stopped out on pullbacks. Today you will learn a complete 3-indicator system designed to pinpoint the exact moment momentum returns to the trend. This is the momentum catcher strategy. Let's begin. Step 1. The trend filter. Add the Trend Magic EMA to your chart. This is simple. If the line is blue, we only look for buys. If the line is red, we only look for sells. Do not trade against this indicator. Step 2. Build the momentum catcher. First, add an RSI indicator. Change its length to 21 and its color to blue. This is your main trend direction. Next, add a second RSI. Change its length to 5 and its color to red. This is your short-term momentum and pullback spotter. Now, merge the red RSI onto the blue RSI pane. Then, pin it to the scale. Your momentum catcher is now active. Look at this example. The Trend Magic is blue. The blue RSI is above 50. Price pulls back, and there, the red line crosses above the blue. We enter. Stop loss below the recent low. Target set. The momentum ignites, and the target is hit. The sell rules are the exact opposite. 1. Trend Magic indicator is red. 2. The blue 21 RSI is below the 50 level. 3. The red 5 RSI crosses back below the blue RSI. This is your trigger to sell. This system provides a powerful edge, but no strategy is perfect. Losses are a part of trading. Risk management is essential. Always follow your rules. You now have the complete momentum catcher strategy. Add the indicators, follow the rules, and test it for yourself. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not trading advice. Trading involves significant risk. Always backtest any strategy and consult a financial professional. If you found this strategy useful, subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Or